easy go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing some Mad City with
Collin.
also known as Blizzard. As you guys see, he's in my sail right now.
I don't know if you guys can hear us, but
Yeah. I can't. I'm gonna have to respawn real quick because it will not let me out of my cell.
we can become rich. We're gonna go rob some banks and stuff.
Yeah, we are gonna. So in today's video, we are gonna break out of the cell. Well, of course, and maybe go rob some places. And then maybe if you guys really want us to, come on, Cole. We will probably do a part 2, maybe.
If you want us to.
Yeah, if you want us to.
Yeah. Okay.
Right now, I'm looking through the garbage. It's empty. So in the comments below, tell me and Colin how your guys' day been going. Ooh, I can't enter this place. Get out! If it's been good, if it's been bad, or if...
Let's go this way.
Huh?
Let's go this way.
Okay. Or if your day has been very nice. Well, talking for me, my day's been pretty good.
Oh, we don't have a key card.
Yeah, I know.
Ruben,
I got a pick. I got a pick lock.
Oh, nice.
Why is he shooting at us? We didn't do anything.
Did you die?
No, but I got a pick lock. Why is he...
Come on,
Go, run. I don't even know what he's gonna do. He's gonna kill us.
Ruben, I'm gone.
He's gone. Come on. Okay, well, that was close. So, as I was saying, if you guys like this game, tell us in the comments, and we will do a part 2.
Well, if comments is even up.
Yeah, if comments all up. I'm trying to figure out how to do that. Why is he following us?
Because we tried to escape.
No, we didn't.
We need to get our key card.
I have a pick lock.
You have a pick lock? We can maybe get out of here then.
A lock pick. Sorry, a pickpocket.
How do you turn off this big thing?
I don't know.
It's kind of so really on my way. Is this free time?
I guess, but it's very dark. So, ooh, why are we back?
Oh, I got I got a medal. This can be used to craft something.
Okay, good. Okay, we shouldn't be back here. They're gonna be suspicious. Okay, guys.
Can you pick lock this door?
Nah, I don't think we can, but we can try. Okay, guys. So, as I said, our main targets are to break out of this place and get some cash for part 2. How many parts we can do?
This can be a 5-part series. If you guys want to do a smaller, we can play jailbreak or a different game. The reason why we did Mad City is because we already know everything in jailbreak.
Yeah. No. Here's the dark.
Right here. Oh no! I almost just escaped.
Come on, Cole.
That's the comms room. Where are you?
I'm up here on the food area. I'm trying to find a place I can pickpocket. I mean, whatever it's called.
Picklock?
Oh, it's out here. I know you can do something with
I got
this.
a pickaxe.
Did you?
Yeah, can mine.
Oh, because it's start shift.
No, I don't want to do this. Goodbye. Go in here. Laundry.
I found stone.
Stone.
Okay, come on. I need to find a rope. The rope is the most good thing.
Okay. Where are you?
I found stone again.
Search in this crate. I found gunpowder.
Ooh, that's sometimes helpful.
You coming?
I found plastic.
Nice. Where are you?
Over here. I just saw your name.
Oh, I see you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on. Just look for stuff. Tell me if you find a rope. Hey guys, so
Let me get out of here.
as you guys see, we are trying to escape this place.
Do we need a rope if we're gonna climb this out of here?
That's why I know. I found some metal. It's empty.
I found a lockpick.
Alright. Trying to find
things.
I'm trying to find a thing that can. Why is this man trying to beat me up with his thing?
He got you?
No, he's like trying to hit me. I don't even know why he's doing it.
So I know. Bedtime's in 5 seconds.
That's 5 a.m. Oh, 10.
Oh.
Why?
I found plastic.
I did too. But we need to escape.
I know, I'm trying to search garbage cans and stuff.
Tell us next time if we do play this, if you guys still want us to begin to be prisoners, or I made a goal without even knowing, or if you would like us to be like
superheroes or cops.
Yeah, superheroes or cops. This guy is really chasing me right now, so that's not very helpful.
We need wire cutters or we need a rope.
I know, but this guy's trying to beat me down. He's right on me. I need to lose him. Yes, I lost him. Have you found a rope yet right now?
No, I'm searching this garbage. It's empty. Found a lockpick.
Dang it, it's empty.
Another garbage.
What's in
I found a rope!
Yes. I can picklock this door.
Nice. Ruben, I found a door. No, I found a rope. Where are you?
Picklocking this door.
Go to the soccer field. I have a rope.
I picklocked the door though.
Ruben, there's a cop. Where are you?
Just don't use the rope yet.
Hurry up then.
There's a superhero! I guess you can say I kind of escaped. I'm still like at the gate. I'm trying. Oh, the gate's open. The gate's open.
Where are you? Because I'm about to use it. Where are you?
Outside. Yes, go. Use it. Go.
Where are you?
Outside, but be careful. There's a cop. A superhero.
Hold on. I can use it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm using it. Okay, I see the city. It's up and down.
What's
Go
up?
to the boat dock.
There's a cop and a superhero.
I'm at the boat dock. Where are you?
Outside of the prison, I'm in front.
I see you. Come on.
Collin, they're right out here.
Oh crap. There's a boat.
Go! Collin!
Get in.
I'm drowning! Let's go!
Come on, get in.
I can't. It's flinging me away.
Come on, I'm getting hit.
Just go! I drowned.
You died?
Yeah. I got back in. Colin's out there by himself. Okay, guys, so I need to go back to Colin now.
I think the rope might still be there.
It's
the soccer field.
At the soccer field?
Yeah. Is there anything?
I don't know. I'm not there yet. Okay, Colin says maybe the rope may still be at the soccer field. No.
It's not?
No.
I'm right by the prison. I'm coming back up.
I found rope right by it.
Nice.
I found the rope right by the...
Okay, so go by the soccer field.
I'm at the soccer field.
Okay, good. Come on, jump out,
I found
jump
the
out.
rope in that... Oh, someone else is coming up.
There's a superhero. Are you coming? Good, let's go.
Me and Colin broke out once again.
Is that other guy following us?
Mm-mm.
No? Good. Okay, let's go hop in a boat and get out of here.
Where did the superhero guy go?
I don't know. He went to the city.
I need to be careful.
You
Okay, so
in?
our first mission.
You in?
I'm in my own.
Okay.
Our first mission is complete, but second is to go
Robert.
to the criminal hideout, which isn't it the gun, right?
I think that, yeah.
The boat is bumpy. Okay, guys, and then we're gonna at least rob one place.
And when we get on land, I can spawn in a car. Okay, I'm on land. There we go. Come
Oh,
out.
I forgot you can summon cars. You can just summon.
Hold on.
Okay, now Colin's driving us.
This car sucks. What the?
What the heck?
I know. It's like super hard to control.
You want me to summon one of mine? I have some.
I have one too. What car do you have? A Camaro?
I don't know. Let me check. I have a ATV.
How do you get all that stuff?
I have Camaro, yeah.
How'd you get that?
I just did. Okay, come on.
Okay, how do you have all this stuff?
I don't know.
Maybe have you played this game before?
Yes, I played this a couple times. Okay, wait. I know the criminal base is by the what's it called? Casino, right?
Yeah, we can rob the casino.
And there's a casino right over there, so the criminal base might... Oh, God. The criminal... Oh, God. Oh! Okay. Maybe somewhere over here. Don't ask why I'm running over every single pole. No!
I'm gonna hop in my own car.
I'm backing up.
Okay, where do you want to go?
To the casino to see the criminal base is over there. Okay, guys, so right now we are going to see...
I hop back in your car, my car's stuck.
Yeah, hop in.
Where are you?
Over here.
And if you guys want to see everyone play like Minecraft, Apex, Rocket League, just say it down in the comments.
Yeah. The bank's over here, too. The bank's by the stuff.
Okay, good.
right now the bank is getting robbed, so let's not go there. There's a superhero, run. Yep, we're in the right area. I remember this place. Oh. Come on. Go, 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 go. We need to go. We need to go. Yeah, we're at the right place. We just need to get there now. Then we're going to rob the casino, and then that's going to be the end of part 1, right?
Yeah, sure.
Let's use my boost. This is the last of it. Oh, God. We're back on the road. There's our home sweet home, right by the casino. We need to run. I think there's like superheroes there.
We go on the casino?
No, we're going here first.
Base?
Yeah, so we can get some loot. Okay, guys. So second completed. Collin, let's go by each other so they can see us. This is Collin.
Open it today.
Oh, God.
We should do that.
Yes, we should. But let's get guns. Okay, guys. So after this, we are going to be robbing the bank. So stay tuned.
I think I'm going to grab an AK.
So we're going to get our loot, and then we're going to come back when we're at the casino. Okay, guys. So now we are going to the casino. It's right there, as you guys see. So next part, if we do a next part, we will have to escape prison again, so that kind of sucks. So let's go. We're going in. We have no armor because we have no money yet. That's going to change soon. But let's go. Yep. Okay, we have the system. We got to go now. The police knows we're here, so let's go.
I don't do.
I kind of forgot. No, it's next one, right?
How do you shoot?
How do you crouch?
Oh, it's the aim button.
Yeah.
Oh, where's that line?
This is always easy.
It is. We're gonna go back in the base after this. Is this the vault?
Yep. Over here we have to turn on the stuff.
Ruben, you in?
Wait, the vault's open?
Yeah.
What?
We're getting all the money.
No one said anything.
I'm at $800.
I got 400 in that right now.
Hopefully, you don't get caught soon.
Okay, when we get a lot, then we can go.
I'm almost at money bags. I'm at 302,000.
Okay, I'm getting plenty.
I'm at 4,000. Where are you? Still in the vault?
Yeah, I have 2,800. We can go. We can go. Let's go.
You in the same boat as me?
Yeah, I'm in the.
I'm gonna grab a couple more bags. Oh, I'm at max.
Come on. I only have 2,800. That's not max, but come on. This way.
Where are you? We can make it successfully back to our house.
We get the money.
Yes.
Okay, come on. We need to go, guys. If we get caught, we're done for. Then we have to go back to prison, right?
Yeah, that won't be fun.
Go. Go. We just have to run it. We just have to book it. Hopefully Collin makes it.
I'm right behind you.
Hopefully there's no superheroes camping. Come on, we're about to make it.
Maybe before we end the video, we can take the jet for a drive.
If we can.
No, we can't. It says you can enter it.
We have to make it to our place, like in here. Okay, guys, here we go. We made it! Woohoo!
Ooh, nice.
Now
We're almost at 10,000.
Yeah, I'm at. Okay, let's hop in this. Oh, you can.
Oh, I gotta rank up.
You can.
Is it saved?
Oh no, Collin, you have to buy the thing. It's 1 million. You can only,
Legit?
yeah, you can only go in the passion. So. Okay,
Oh, it is 1 million. Never mind.
come over here, Cole. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want a part 2, then tell us in the comments. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, and bye. Cole, say bye.
Bye-bye.